Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that your HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi so quiet. And firstly I recommend to remove ear tips from your earbuds and clean the grill. And this one can fix this problem. If you don't know how to clean it, you can check video at this channel, or you can use just a brush or toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool and just slightly clean it for both of your earbuds. Next, maybe the problem is that your earbuds just too old, and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only with the one earbud, we can do something. It's not totally fixed, but we can do it better. So we can change audio balance, and firstly I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part with the iPhone also to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility and then scroll down again. In the hearing, we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have Audio Balance. So if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud, so be careful. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move the slider to the left, and again, we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located at the bottom, at least on stock Android. Right here we have it. Enter here, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have Audio Adjustment. Enter this, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud, so be careful with it. If you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right, and we increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!